How to fix Charles Schwab website not working. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, check your internet connection and then make sure it is stable. After that, open your browser in the search bar, search for Charles Schwab, and then land in the official page. You can refresh the page or restart your browser. And if the site still does not load, you can try opening it in a different browser or using an incognito or private browsing window. Next, you can go ahead and simply clear browser cache and cookies, as outdated data can sometimes prevent website from loading properly. Also, make sure that your browser is updated to its latest version. Now, if you're using a VPN, ad blocker or browser extension, temporarily disable it and try accessing the website again, as these can occasionally interfere with the connection. You can even check whether Charles Schwab is experiencing a temporary outage. If the website is down, you simply need to wait until the service is restored. If none of these work, you can go ahead and simply contact Charles Schwab's customer support for further assistance with your account or technical problem. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.